Tak přátelé, jsem na stánku VP, tady to je Filip Bortenkirchner. What's your function in WP?
So I'm WP Global Sales Manager.
Global salesman, okay.
Yes.
Come to the suspension and tell me something about these carbon fiber forks. Is it series? Is it produced already or just a concept?
No, so this suspension we're showcasing here is our Apex Pro MotoGP fork and our Apex Pro MotoGP shock absorber. Obviously we are using here the latest suspension technology and the highest grade of material. So on the forks we're using full carbon fiber outer tubes, featuring also inside a lot of titanium, obviously. And on the shock absorber we're mainly using a lot of titanium as well, including special coatings to reduce the friction from the piston rod.
From what?
From the piston rod. So
from the piston rod.
Exactly. So we have here a special coating on side, inside to reduce the friction between the sealing and the piston rod.
Yeah.
So it's even going smoother and reducing the friction and the losses in between.
Can you tell me a little bit about the material of the coating?
No,
not exactly.
No, unfortunately in this regards.
Okay, I understand. Thank you so much. Do you have something to tell my viewers what's new in WP?
Yeah, I mean, obviously this is the MotoGP fork and shock, and why we showcase it here is because directly linked to that, we're showing here the Apex Pro cartridge kit and the Apex Pro shock absorber, which is fitting to the upcoming KTM 990 Duke, as well as for the RC 990R. We are using here basically the same technology as we have here in the MotoGP components, minus, I would say, the super expensive materials.
Understand.
Exactly. So it's also accessible kind of to the end customer. Here we're using an optimized piston diameter and optimized damping system to really achieve a consistent damping throughout the long ride. Because usually the biggest problems the riders are facing, which are going fast, is that on a long ride, at some point the curve or the dampening is going down, and on this one we really achieved a very consistent dampening, even on a long ride or if you're chasing lap times on a racetrack.
You mean after 20 minutes, for example, the damping goes down a little bit?
Usually that's the case. When you go very hard on a track, you would feel it immediately. But on this one, we were very happy on our dyno runs. It's very consistent, even on longer rides.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll make video here of this technology and design. And I will, you have a breakdown for me, and I will translate it in Czech.
Yeah, sure.
Takže přátelé, tohle jsou GPčkový vidle z těch nejlepších materiálů za použití karbonových šavlí a spousta titanu se speciálním povrchem, o jehož materiálu mi nechtěl nic Stefano říct, teda Filip. A tady je to samé, aby byla co nejmenší tření mezi tím pístem a tím okolím. Takže tohle jsou komponenty pro MotoGP a tohle z toho tady ukazují Apex Pro. Jo, tady vlastně vidíte přímo pro jaký motorky to je. A tohle jsou komponenty Apex Pro, který si normálně můžete koupit, který využívají ty samé technologie s výjimkou těch ultra drahých materiálů, jako tamhle v GPčku. Tak tady si to můžete přečíst. A samozřejmě to vede k lepší výdrži během dlouhých jízd, kdy honíte prostě každou vteřinu na okruhu a tlačíte na pilu. A problém, na který si jezdci stěžovali, byl, že to tlumení odchází po třeba 15-20 minutách. Takže tohle ta technologie, tell me once more the technology which reduces the fading of the damping.
So we optimized the diameter inside here of the piston rod.
Optimalizovali průměr uvnitř těch pístů.
Yeah, to reduce the thermal impact, so to say, from the moving parts, and also the damping system itself. Of course, it's derived. The technology suspension damping system is derived from the MotoGP in order to get the more consistent damping.
Jo, a i ten tlumící systém zoptimalizovali podle těch zkušeností GPčka, aby to bylo víc konzistentní, to tlumení v průběhu času. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
And we'll stay in touch.
Yes,
if
sure.
if you come to Prague, I will send you my contact. Don't hesitate, call me, okay?
Sure, that sounds good. Thank you
Great.
so much.
Thank you too. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.